I think that there are several approaches to it. One is that we need to have a short term, a medium term, and a long term as an anti-corruption movement. We need to have a short term, medium term, and long term goal and objective in combating corruption. Now, the reason why I have to categorize it this way is because 2015 general elections is around the corner, and it is both what do you call it? It is both an opportune moment as well as a bit too late to do anything fundamental about corruption, because we are dealing with the same set of players. Barring some of the surprises from the primaries, but we are dealing with the same set of players. Yeah. So, but there are quite a number of things that we can then do. One is that one of the things that we can do as a movement and as civil society in general, as media practitioners, as active citizens in Nigeria, is to actually make corruption, the issue of corruption, an election issue, and therefore a political issue.